Hello, my name is Keith Coombs, and I am the owner of Ernie November, which is an independent record store in the heart of Downtown Cheyenne. I've been working here since 1996, and I bought into it in 2003. And kind of the backstory is, in the late 80s, I moved here as a kid, and being a small town and not a whole lot for kids to do, I kind of realized instead of sitting around and complaining about that or getting into trouble, I wanted to just be a little bit more proactive. So I started throwing concerts in this town in '89 as a 15-year-old kid. And I did that for a couple of years, left for college, and came back in my early 20s because I heard that this store had opened, and I wanted to work here for a living. So at 23, I dropped my corporate job. I started working for minimum wage at 10 hours a week just to bide my time to take over the store one day. It took a year for me to go full-time, and then 2 more years I became the manager, and 3 more years after that I bought it. And I think being in Cheyenne gave me the unique opportunity to be able to actually pull that off. This town is small and is lacking some things, but what happens is that I think it creates a DIY mentality around here that if you want something done, you're going to get together with some like-minded individuals and pull it off. There's been lots of things that have come about in the last several years in this town, especially with people my age, I'm in my 40s, that are wanting to be a little bit more proactive, and we're not relying on going to Colorado or leaving our town to do it. We just want to make things happen. So I'm living proof that instead of sitting around complaining about things going on, we just did it ourselves. My favorite time of the year definitely is the summer. Being in downtown, I love having my door open. I'm at Ground Zero. We have a lot of tourists that come to town, and we also have a concert series that's a half a block away from my shop that's free for families every Friday night. So 12 weeks in a row every Friday we have live music in our downtown for a couple of hours, and it's just wonderful to get out in the summertime, drink some beers, hang out with friends. They've been doing that, I want to say, about 10 years or so, but the nice thing is so many people have enjoyed it over the years that it's spawned off into the fall and winter as well. And there's other concert series that have been popping up and a lot more activity in the winter than I think that there has been in the last several years. Again, I think that spawns because there's people that are my age that want quality entertainment, and they don't have to go to Fort Collins or Denver to achieve that.